Mr. Cammack, by my notes, I'm about halfway done, but let me see if I can speed this up and get you.
Mr. Cogdell, would you raise your mic up? There you go.
Yes, sir.
We had you talk a little bit, Mr. Cammack, about the grand jury subpoenas and the reason for that. At some point, I think I heard you discuss with my colleague, Mr. Hardin, that Paxton made a statement to the effect that he was being critical of Mr. Penley and Mr. Maxwell because they won't do any work. Do I recall that correctly?
I don't remember the exact question that was asked by Mr. Hardin.
Do you remember back during this time, that is back in September of 2020, that happening, that is Mr. Paxton being critical of Mr. Penley and Mr. Maxwell, believing that or stating that they didn't do any work?
Wasn't critical in the sense that like he gave me any detail about what they were or weren't doing. He just said that he couldn't get the people at his office to do what he was asking them to do.
Fair enough. Now, there are different ways of conducting an investigation. You'd agree with me?
Yes, sir.
There are all kinds of different tools that law enforcement can use, TCIC, NCIC, every initial in the book sort of stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
And even lay people can do computer searches, Google searches, Intellius, Truth Finder, LexisNexis, all that sort of stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you literate on LexisNexis, or were you at the time?
Yes, but more proficient in Westlaw.
Okay. And Pacer, do you do much work on Pacer?
No, sir, but I'm familiar with it.
And Pacer is public access to computer electronic records, something like that?
I believe so.